Today I'm going to show you a parts list for a PVC kayak rack, and also show assembly instructions step by step and walk you through the entire process. I'm going to try to do this while there's construction all over the place and winds. Hopefully this will make your life easier if you decide to build your own. Okay, here's a layout of everything. I already have one side assembled, but I'm just gonna first, let's just break down this parts list for you very quickly. There are 6 58-inch PVC pipes. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see them closer. I'm gonna show you, there's 6 of these. Okay, I'm just gonna read this off to you. This is 1.5, number 41, Cantex, schedule 40, rigid PVC, non-metallic conduit. Okay, here's a still shot of one side assembled. I just wanted to show you that for reference, so you could pause the video if you need to right now and copy it. I'm going to show you just quickly a close-up. Ready? Here we go. Okay, so as you can see there, that's a T, and that's going to fit the 1.5-inch PVC pipes. Show you how they look. There are a total of 14 3-inch PVC pipes. There are 8 17-inch PVC pipes. There are a total of 6 33-inch PVC pipes. So I'm going to use a wooden block to help me put together these small ends. You don't have to use a wood block, but that's what I'm going with, and a rubber mallet. So here we go. What I want to tell you is right here, you don't need glue. Let me just show you the inside, how you have to line it up. You can use the board to help everything be square. I'm adding another board to make sure everything lines up properly. So, This is my go-to standing point. Lean into the camera, right? So when you see me looking inside, again, earlier in the video when I showed how it lines up, basically you want to make sure everything lines up all the way in. That way you have consistency. It has a very strong hold, and as I said, you don't need glue. It's just really tight. This way you could take it apart later. If you glue it, you're kind of stuck with it. Okay, there's one last piece. This is pretty much how it gets built. But what you're seeing at the bottom of the screen, that's the bottom. And then at the top, there's actually a small connector, but I'm not going to put it in until later so that you can see how it gets lined up. At this point, you're going to repeat the exact same steps for the other side. Let me show you. As you can see, each side is a mirror image of itself. Now I'm going to need some help from my beautiful wife. So we will stand it up. Hold on a minute. Okay, here, I'll get my gloves on. I'll show you the last step. Last step is to put these at the top. I would probably recommend for this design to actually have two more of these. They go right on the top. I'll show you. So if you look, the top four corners, I probably would recommend having, four of them. Got here, over here. Now it's time to load the kayaks. The first kayak, it's my favorite. It's the Sunrise 10.0. Highly recommend it. Cuts through the waves. It's great. The best thing about this stand is how easy it is. So I just did a DIY stand. I showed you how to assemble it. There's one more cool thing I think I want to show you about this. If you want, you could do this. Okay, so just want to show you that this thing, you can flip them all upside down and it's great for, I don't know, it's just a really, oh, Coco likes it. You like it, Coco? What do you think? You want to go kayaking again, Coco? I do not recommend taking Labradoodles kayaking. She saw a bird and nearly capsized me. Right, Coco? You like the kayak holder? You give it a paw up? You don't have a thumb. Alright, thanks for watching.